I'm going to show you very quickly how to create a custom post type in WordPress. The first thing you have to do if you want to create custom post types is to download the plugin Cpt Ui for custom post type UI. And then you will go in the sidebar of WordPress and you will be able to create a new custom post type. So we will create a post type for a new project I will launch on the website, a directory of SaaS software. So best SaaS will be the slug. The slug is what you will see in the URL. Then we will call this SaaS products in the plural and singular without the S. And you simply have to add the post type from here if you don't want to change any of the features. But if you want, for instance, to remove some of the parts of the UI in the editor, like the main box of the editor, you can remove it here. You can also add taxonomies from WordPress core, like categories, tags, or custom taxonomies. We will do this in a moment, but we will first create a custom taxonomy. But let's first add the custom post type. Let's do this. So the custom post type has been added to my site. Usually it will appear in the sidebar right here, but I can also move it to another folder via a plugin I have added to my site to make things clearer. So if I want to add a new custom post type or a new post to my custom post types, I just click on Add New. And I will be able to fill out the data. There's no dedicated fields at the moment. You have to do this with advanced custom fields. That will be the subject of another video. The subject of this one is just to create a custom post type. Let's get back to the custom post type Cpt Ui section to create a custom taxonomy. Taxonomy can be something which you can compare to a category, for instance, but which can be specific to a series of custom post types. So we will create something called software tags, or software types. It's more self-explanatory. And here I will name it software types and in the singular software type, and I will attach it to SaaS products. Okay, so I just click on Add Taxonomy, and if I go back to my sidebar to SaaS products, you see that now I have software types. I could fill out a series of software types, but I will do this dynamically when I will import my first series of SaaS products.